I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
Together we're 324 Weekly TV, your source for news, reviews, and tips you can use about mindfulness and meditation. Today's show, Help! I Can't Meditate. And you know what? There are three things, Julie, we're going to discuss about that.
I want to say one of the first things is that so many people say they can't meditate. So you're not alone. So number one is you are not alone.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is the number one thing. The number two thing about not meditating is there's no way to do it. There's no right way. There's no wrong way. Anyone who tells you you've got to do it this way, or consider this, or you're not sitting properly, you're not lying down properly, you're not standing on one foot, it's all bunk. That's the best way to describe it. Meditation is your own personal experience.
Really?
Really.
Oh, that's not what I understand.
What do you understand it to be? Now we're going to have a debate in the middle of our show. What's your experience of meditation?
I guess I'm influenced by the traditions, the traditions that meditation has come from. Now we've created something, now there's all these different types of meditations. There are all these different ways to approach meditation, to encourage people to try. And I think, yes, it's important to try. And yes, it's important not to let those things be barriers. But at the same time, there's been people who've been practicing meditation and bringing tools and techniques out that they're sharing with people that I think are really, really helpful.
I agree. So what?
You do?
I do. Of course I do. The underlying, and this is why we do this together.
Right.
The underlying opportunity for meditation is the opportunity and to try different things. That's why we have the show, to talk about the different options to try. We're not here to say go one direction or another direction. What you said is absolutely valuable. But for somebody who's brand spanking new, who's, in our other show, we talked about Headspace. And Headspace has a 1-minute meditation. Our show is called 3 to 4. It's those 3 to 4 seconds of awareness, because that's where people can start. So hopefully, the more of these shows we make, the more of the dialogue, the more that we introduce, we can help you find what's right. Not so much that's the right practice, that's the wrong, but give you the options and show you a different landscape, if you like, of what's going on in mindfulness and meditation so that you can reach some of the goals that you have for yourself. And, I think, Julie, the great way to sum this up is exactly what you said when you said it can't be another thing to do. Because if you're treating it as just it's another thing on your to-do list, that probably won't be.
So success is when you feel a deep nourishment and benefit from your practice, whatever it is. Yeah.
So with that, we'll remind you, I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
Together we're 324 Weekly TV. Don't forget, comment in the box below. If you like what we do, subscribe and ring the bell so that you'll know when our next video is being posted. Be sure to comment, share, let your friends know about us. And by all means, please come back and watch us again. And with that, bye for now.
Bye for now.
Okay, we have a
not major league editing
primary
program.
editing tool.
Yeah.
So we need your help to help us get a better editing
That's right.
tool.
Yeah.